A skilled and motivated workforce is always at the heart of successful collections operations. Frontline collections is a difficult work environment, much more challenging when up to date information on customers' outstanding is not at hand. It is here Microsoft Dynamics 365 collections management tools come into play. So, Rajiv, let us know more about credits and collections modules in Dynamics 365 and how it helps in meeting this objective.
Thank you, Hira. Now, I would first address three basic questions: why, what, and how. Every business has liquidity concerns. Effective collection strategy helps the management tide over those liquidity concerns. So, what should we be focusing on? Although most customers pay on time, but we must be able to process the invoices that are not paid by their due date. How does Microsoft Dynamics helps us do that? By generating timely reports, sending statements to customers, credit limit analysis, sending collection letters, tracking reasons for delay, and tracking disputed amounts. Dynamics 365 credit and collections, helps us in going about these tasks in various ways. You can drill down to the aged statements, collect customer account details, pending tasks, notes, credit limits, and customers on hold. You can print and view reports, aging, balance list, account statement, invoice history. You can do certain periodic tasks like communicate through email statements directly, print and send collection letters, create and send interest notes. And of course, there is a very important tool called Power BI, which provides real-time analytics to help in decision making. This is a sample collection letter that can be sent to the customer. You can also email statements to the customer and any other contacts you wish to. You can track open activities. You can see various stock BI reports. Microsoft has a lot of stock BI reports on collection, and you can tell your IT department to configure them for you. Some of them are very useful to give management an overall overview. Now let me move you to Microsoft Dynamics Customer Credit and Collections worksheet. So you see there is a My Work tab under which you can specify which company you want to database access to. You can even specify which customer account you want to look into, but you can also look at the entire customer data as well. If you don't specify any customer here, then you see here there are plenty of tiles which show what is the various open tasks. It's like you want to see customers over credit limit, so you press it and it will generate you the list of the customers which are over the credit limit. Similarly, on to the right you see two pie charts under balances tab, and if you want to drill down to say which customers are 180 days and over, all you have to do is click over here and you will see the list of the customers which are 180 days and over. Similarly, there is another pie chart. So it shows the disputed customers. If you really want to see who has disputed, so you see $3,195 is disputed by this customer called Sparrow Retail, and you get the detail here as well. You can go back and under the collections tab you have various balances. You have customers overdue, and you have their credit rating. So credit rating is here. It shows excellent, good, and poor. You can see the aged balances, and from aged balances you can actually take any customer, and if you really want to send a email statement, you can send it from here. The email will be generated along with an Excel sheet to the contact you wish to send it to. You can check the credit limits. You can see customers on hold. You can see various cases and what are the schedules for these activities. And very important thing, you can make notes. So if a collecting team has talked to the customer and there are certain issues with the payout, you can take down those notes so that the next person who is following up with the customer can look at those notes and can find out what is the history, what are the various reasons, when was he talked, last time somebody spoke to the customer, whether there were issues with the product delivery, so on and so forth. On to the right, you have various links to the customer's card. You have a periodic tasks like aged customer balances. You can create collection letters. You can review collection letters. You can create interest notes. You can review the process of the interest notes. And you can see various reports like customer aging report, customer account statement, customer balance list with credit limit, invoice history. And of course, you can ask your IT department to customize BI reports on this sheet as well, which would make this whole process very, very meaningful. So this is all I have in customer credit and collections.